How to order items on TEMU. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm just going to show you guys how to easily order any kind of items on the TEMU app. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. First thing you need to do is open up the application and then log into your account. Once you do so, you can browse through the homepage and find the product that you like and you'd like to purchase. From here, you can just tap on Add to Cart and it will be added to your cart. Now, if you scroll down, you can select any other items right here from the list. And then from here, you can just head over to your cart. Once you get to your cart, you can just tap on Checkout. Once you tap on Checkout, you'll have to enter all of your address and your contact details. Then you will be taken to the payment page where you have to choose your payment option. You can either use card like your credit card or debit card, or you can use PayPal. And if you have a valid coupon code, you can just tap on apply coupon, enter the code to apply the uh, coupon code on your checkout. So once you do that, you can just tap on submit order and your order will be placed on TEMU. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.